Hi, hello, welcome to our channel. We have got a brand new vehicle. Do you think it might be a scooter? Or it might be a car? What it could be? We have a baby at home. So we have got a baby vehicle. What is baby vehicle? It's a stroller. We have got a luvlap sunshine stroller which can be used for babies up to 3 years. Baby can put them in lying down position or sit in sitting position. We will unbox and show it to you how it looks and what are the features available in that. Come, let's go and see. So the pram has arrived now. Let's do the opening. Let's see how it looks and in which color it is.
என்னடி என்னம்மா என்னடின்னு கேட்க
Okay, here is the manual on how to fix it. Looks like it is orange color. Is the tire being fitted or let's see.
வேண்டாம் மம்மி விட்டுரு மம்மி.
Okay, just have to open. So we paused and took it out. The tire doesn't seem to be fixed at its place. I felt. Okay, there are two tires over here. Let's take out the pram. I'm not sure if I know to fix the tire. Let's try. Okay, 4 tires are not placed, so we need to fix it. Let me try to fix it now. Okay, seems to be difficult. Let me fix it and then start showing it to you of how we fixed, else it's going to take a lot of time. I will fix all the tires and start the video.
ஸோ இந்த டயர் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறதுல ஒரு டெக்னிக் மெயினாக ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இந்த டயரோட ஃபேஸிங் வந்துட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட், இந்த பேக் லாக் இருக்குது தெரியுமா, இந்த லாக் வந்துட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட் ஃபேஸிங்கில் இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா, இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி தெரியணும், இந்த 4 லைன் இப்படி தெரியணும். இன்கேஸ் நம்ம பை மிஸ்டேக் we have attached it wrong, means how we have to disassemble and assemble it back. Here there is a press button. If we press it with hand, it doesn't come out easily. The tire doesn't come out easily. You first need to close the stroller, put it upside down, and then you press it with a screwdriver or a wrench which is little heavy. If you press it lightly, the tire will come out. In case of you fixed it wrong, kindly press this using a screwdriver or any kind of tool and then press it and this tire will come out in case of you fixed it wrong. That is the only problem in the back tire. Front tire is very easy, you just need to remove it and fix it. In the back tire, you need to press this button. Okay, both the sides that button is there, that press button is there, press it and remove it. Next, what I want to show you here is the carrier bag. You can put your kids' toys and diaper or wipes or feeding bottle, and then you can take this. If you see, this is just a button, press button is there. You need to press it. Just take it and press it over here. This is the last part and this is the first part. Next, what I wanted to show you is the front tire. I have already told you, front tire moves 360 degree like this. It can move 360 degree like this, both the tires. Now, if you want the tire to go just straight, then you need to lock both the tires, the front tires. If you press it like this, it will go only straight. If you remove the lock, it will rotate 360 degrees. Whereas the backside lock is for locking the stroller. That means it should not move. You people are having lunch or you people are having dinner.
Or you are sitting in the park.
Yeah, if you're outside and if the baby has to stand steady, the stroller has to stand steady, you need to do the back lock. The front lock is for the rotating wheels and the back lock is for the stroller to stand as it is. Now let me show you the next thing. So now the stroller is in sitting position. Okay, that is when the baby has to sit, the baby can sit in this position. When the baby has to lie down, there are 3 positions in this. If you see here, there are 3 positions in this. You just need to lift this and then come down. If you see here, this is a slight lying down position. Amma, you stand in the same place. I will rotate the stroller. Okay. This is in half lying down position. You can just leave it as it is. If you need the baby to lie down fully, you just press it and bring it fully back. Now you see the baby can be in fully lying down position. That's all you have to know about the sitting. It's very easy to make it just lie down and push it back. Okay. Next, what I want to talk to you about is the clip. This is the locking clip. There is a press button here.
Side lock.
Side lock like this.
Another one is another
Like
side
this.
lock.
You can put the baby here and lock it like that. Next thing what I want to talk to you about it, here you have to first bring this.
See inside.
Yeah, you have to bring it via this and then you need to clip it. This bringing out the clip is easy. Just put it like this and put it back like this and just get it in the front and lock it over here. This is washable, this is removable. If you see here, they have given the tag here. Just remove it and put it for
Wash.
in case of it becomes dirty, this thing gets spilled. So here it is a velcro system in the side. Just stick it both the way. So this is all the cloth material, reusable. Just wash it and reuse it. This is for holding. This is for the leg. So now let's assume if the baby is small, you just put it in lie down position. This is enough. The baby has to put down the legs. It can be either this way or here they have given an extra
Stand.
option for
Stand.
the stand. Okay. Next what you need to do. This one you need. This is a sun canopy.
Sun or slight rain.
Sun or slight rain. This is obviously you have to just bring it like this. Now, how will you see the baby? If you take the trolley like this, if you take the stroller like this, how will you see the baby? Now, they have given a velcro system here. Remove like this. You can see from here whether the baby is sleeping or it is awake. Again, close it like this. If you don't want it,
No,
just
and the
push
that
it
right.
back. Yes, I'm going to show.
Okay.
Just push it back. Next, what I wanted to show you is this is the handle. Correct? This handle has got two levers. Push the lever like this and bring it to the front. Close the canopy. You will be able to see the baby like this and you will be able to push the stroller like this.
Company பேர் என்னது?
This is luvlap. Luvlap Sunshine is the stroller name. Okay. You can close it. You can bring it back. You can hold these two levers. Push it back. Push it to the front. What else you need to know about this? How to close the pram and open the pram. Now, this is the thing. You cannot do it with your hands. Let me lock this. I have locked it and I'm going to press this and the pram and the stroller will get closed.
இது அப்படியே பண்ணலாம்.
That's all. You need to close it this way. Okay. If you need to open, you need to open it this way.
Okay, nice.
How you will close the stroller and lock the stroller? Let's assume you have to put it in the boot. You have to take it in the aeroplane. Put it like this and use this option to
Lock the.
lock the pram. That's all.
Very nice.
This also is removable. Put it like this, and put it in the boot. So if you need to remove it, remove the red button like this. Open the
Red button is a lock button.
red button is the lock button after folding the stroller. So the only problem which you will face in this stroller is the back tire fixing. Okay, as I told you, you have to press that button to remove the tire. And you need to ensure the first time itself you make it proper. It is very easy. Open the pram and just fix it. This has to face, if it's a back tire, it should face towards you. If it is a front tire, it should face outside. That is all you need to remember. Both the sides it will be facing outside and the locking system for the, see, if you lock this way, the pram will not move.
Very good.
The pram is locked. I will remove the lock now. Okay. Now, if you see, this is rotating 360 degree like this. Now, I will keep this straight and then lock it. Then, if it will move only straight. See, it will not rotate 360 degree like this.
Okay. Very nice.
So, we took a lot of time to assemble this. Now, we are aware about what has to be done where.
Please write it in the comment section if you're not able to assemble it or if you're not able to fit the tire. We will show you how to fix the back tire also. In case of any doubts, let us know. Please do watch this video if you're buying this luvlap stroller. If you like our video, obviously comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
Bye.